Peace. This is for my kings and queens out there. If you're looking for another opportunity, another way to build a separate source of income, like to have another source of income coming into your home, I have actually found a way. Now, what I need you to do is just be open-minded for a second. Click on the link below. It's going to take you to Envision You, and it's going to tell you about how we are transforming people into digital entrepreneurs daily, okay? This digital industry, like so many people keep their phones in their hands all day, every day. If you're not making money off your phone, guess what? You lost. You lost right now. So what I can do, I'm going to show you an opportunity that I've taken advantage of personally. For the last 2 months, I've taken advantage of it. I've done great. So I want to share this opportunity with you. Click on the link below. Check it out. You can DM me. But we are creating digital entrepreneurs daily with this new platform that I'm on. Be bold enough, take advantage of it, take a look, come aboard, and just be open-minded. And if you need an extra stream of income coming into your home, if you can agree that you may need some more money to pay a bill, whether it's pay a phone bill, light bill, electric bill, might even be to pay your car note or help with that mortgage or help with some money for saving. If you were thinking about a business, opening up a business, I may actually have the business for you. What I need you to do is click the link below. Just click the link. Check it out. You can go on all of my social media platforms, and you know I've been here. I'm going to stay here. I'm not into that goofy stuff. So I'm sharing this with you because I truly believe in it, and I have actually seen success in my household with this business. We're helping people become digital entrepreneurs, teaching folks about the metaverse, teaching people how to own and operate Airbnbs, teaching people about Toro, teaching your family, your household about financial literacy, okay? Then we have different health and wealth products or health and wellness products. I have a spray, my Empowered spray. Keep it on my desk. I use it daily. Empowered. We're making digital entrepreneurs every day. Check me out.